Welcome. Today we are going to explore systems of linear inequalities. Specifically, we will focus on understanding how to find the solution region by looking for overlaps on the coordinate plane. So, what exactly is a system? A system of linear inequalities is simply a set of two or more inequalities that use the same variables. Unlike basic equations, where the answer might be a single number, here we are looking for a specific region or area on the graph. The solution consists of all the points that satisfy every inequality in the system at the same time. Before we dive into systems, let's quickly review how to graph a single inequality. Remember, the boundary line is the line that defines the edge of our region. If the symbol is strictly less than or greater than, we use a dashed line. If it includes or equal to, we use a solid line. Then, we shade the side of the line that makes the statement true. Now, let's look at a system with two inequalities. The first step is to graph the boundary lines for both inequalities on the same coordinate plane. In this example, we have one line that represents y is greater than or equal to x, and another for y is less than 3. We simply draw them both on the same grid. Once the lines are drawn, we look at the shading. The solution to the entire system is the region where the shadings overlap. In our visual here, the blue region satisfies the first inequality, and the red region satisfies the second. The purple area, where the colors mix, is our solution region. Any point inside this double-shaded area is a valid answer. Let's try a simple example with horizontal and vertical lines. Here we have x is less than 3, and y is greater than or equal to -2. We shade to the left of the vertical line at 3 and above the horizontal line at -2. The solution is the rectangular region in the top left where these two shaded areas intersect. Sometimes you might encounter a case with no solution. Look at these two parallel lines. One asks for the region above the top line, and the other asks for the region below the bottom line. Since the shaded areas go in opposite directions and never touch, there is no overlap. Therefore, this system has no solution. To be absolutely sure about a solution, you can test a point. Let's pick the point 0, 0. We plug 0 into the first inequality. 0 is greater than or equal to 0, which is true. Then we plug it into the second. 0 is less than 3, which is also true. Since the point works for both, it confirms that 0, 0 is indeed inside the solution region. To summarize, solving systems of linear inequalities involves three main steps. First, graph the boundary lines, paying attention to whether they should be dashed or solid. Second, lightly shade the correct region for each individual inequality. And finally, identify the area where the shadings overlap. That intersection is your final solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.